Croslite is this wonderful material that has been in Crocs shoes from the very beginning. It's a proprietary resin, but it has some very unique properties. And two of those properties that make Crocs so comfortable are, number one, Croslite material is very, very good at leveling the loads across the bottom of your foot. 30% better than any other foam that we know of that's out there that's used in footwear. It's also very good at absorbing shock. We have found that Croslite material is 40% better at absorbing shock than other regular shoes. Well, we have US ergonomic certifications for a lot of our shoes, and the certifications that come from US ergonomics are showing how effectively our shoes spread the load out as a person stands and walks. Load leveling is the ability of a material to take the high pressure points away from your foot and spread them out over a broader area. So when we talk about Croslite, we're talking really about the science that goes into all of the Crocs shoes. One of the things that makes Croslite material unique is its ability to perform both as an open cell and a closed cell foam. This is a typical open cell foam. It's very lightweight, it's very soft and very flexible and comfortable to the feel. The problem with it is it compresses very easily and it absorbs water. So when you put this material in a shoe, it very quickly gets wet, has a tendency to grow bacteria, and isn't the ideal material to have in contact with your foot. When you go to a closed cell foam, the benefit is that you get a material that's much more durable and solid and doesn't absorb water. The problem is it's not as comfortable to the feel and it doesn't compress. Neither of these are ideal in and of themselves for footwear. So typically when people make footwear, they combine both a closed cell and an open cell foam. The problem with that is you still have an open cell foam against your foot, which then absorbs water and grows bacteria. The magic of Croslite material is that it has the characteristic of an open cell foam in that it is compressing and soft and light, but also has the durability and the hygienic aspect of not absorbing water like a closed cell foam. So what I want to demonstrate in addition to that is how well the Croslite material absorbs shock. If I take this golf ball and hit the table and simulate a heel strike against the pavement, you can hear how that golf ball is going right through the open cell foam, compressing it and making contact with the table. If I go to the closed cell foam, you hear that it's not going through to the table, but because the foam is hard, it's bouncing the shock right back up. When you tap the combination of the two, you'll hear that there isn't a lot of difference between the regular closed cell and the combination. But when you go to the Croslite material, what you'll hear is a definite dampening of the noise and an absorption of the shock. Every time your heel hits the ground, you have this shock that goes up through your skeletal system. That's why walking and standing causes your back to hurt, it can cause your head to hurt, your knees to hurt, because you have this shock going up through your system. The Croslite material is really what makes Crocs shoes unique.